The Wasp class is a class of landing helicopter dock, LHD, amphibious assault ships operated by the United States Navy. Based on the Tarawa class, with modifications to operate more advanced aircraft and landing craft. The Wasp class is capable of transporting almost the full strength of a United States Marine Corps Marine Expeditionary Unit, ME, and landing them in hostile territory via landing craft or helicopters, as well as providing air support via Avenue 8B Harrier to attack aircraft or F-35B Lightning II stealth strike fighters. All Wasp-class ships were built by Ingalls Shipbuilding, at Pascagoula, Mississippi, with the lead ship, USS Wasp, commissioned on the 29th of July 1989. 8 Wasp-class ships were built, and as of June 2018, all 8 are active. The Wasp class is based on the preceding Tarawa class design. The design was modified to allow for the operation of Avenue 8B Harrier II aircraft and landing craft air cushion, LCAC, hovercraft, making the Wasp class the first ships specifically designed to operate these. The main physical changes between the two designs are the lower placement of the ship's bridge in the Wasp class, the relocation of the command and control facilities to inside the hull, the removal of the 5-inch, 127mm, Mk-45 naval guns and their sponsons on the forward edge of the flight deck, and a lengthening of 24 feet, 7.3 meters, to carry the LCACs. Each Wasp-class ship has a displacement of 40,500 long tons, 41,150 tons, at full load, is 831 feet, 253.2 meters, long, has a beam of 104 feet, 31.8 meters, and a draft of 27 feet, 8.1 meters. For propulsion, most of the ships are fitted with 2 steam boilers connected to geared turbines, which deliver 70,000 shaft horsepower, 52,000 kilowatts, to the 2 propeller shafts. This allows the LHDs to reach speeds of 22 knots, 41 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour, with a range of 9,500 nautical miles, 17,600 kilometers, 10,900 miles, at 18 knots, 33 kilometers per hour, 21 miles per hour. The last ship of the class, USS Makin Island, was instead fitted with 2 General Electric LM-2500 geared gas turbines. The ship's company consists of 1,208 personnel. Amphibious operations. The LHDs can support amphibious landings in 2 forms, by landing craft, or by helicopter. In the 266 by 50 foot, 81 by 15.2 meters, by 28 foot, 8.5 meters, high well deck, the LHDs can carry 3 landing craft air cushion, 12 landing craft mechanized, or 40 amphibious assault vehicles, AFs, with another 21 AFs on the vehicle deck. The flight deck has 9 helicopter landing spots, and can operate helicopters and tiltrooters as large as the Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion and MV-22B Osprey. The size of the air combat element varies depending on the operation. A standard air combat element consists of 6 Harriers or 6 F-35B Lightnings and 4 R-1W/Z Super Cobra, Viper attack helicopters for attack and support, 12 Ospreys and 4 Super Stallions for transport, and 3 or 4 Bellew H-1Y Venom utility helicopters. For a full assault, the air group can be maxed out at 22 Ospreys, while a Wasp operating in the Sea Control or Harrier carrier or Lightning carrier configuration carries 20 Harriers or F-35Bs, though some ships of the class have operated as many as 24 Harriers, supported by 6 Sikorsky SH-60 Seahawk helicopters for anti-submarine warfare. 2 aircraft elevators move aircraft between the flight deck and the hangar. In order to transit the Panama Canal, these elevators need to be folded in. Each ship is capable of hosting 1,894 personnel of the United States Marine Corps, almost the full strength of a Marine Expeditionary Unit, ME. A Wasp-class vessel can transport up to 30,800 square feet, 2,860 square meters, of cargo, and another 20,000 square feet, 1,858 square meters, is allocated for the mayor's vehicles, which typically consists of 5 M1 Abrams battle tanks, up to 25 Fs, 8 M198 howitzers, 68 trucks, and up to 12 other support vehicles. I-6-track internal monorail system as well as 6 12,000 pound, 5,400 kilograms. Internal elevators are used to shift cargo from the cargo holds to landing craft in the well deck. Each WASP-class ship has a hospital with 64 patient beds and 6 operating rooms. An additional 536 beds can be set up in an overflow casualty ward as needed. Armament and sensors. The armament of the first 4 WASP class consists of 2 Mark 29 octuple launchers for RIM-7 Sea Sparrow missiles, 2 Mark 49 launchers for RIM-116 rolling airframe missiles, 3 20mm Phalanx Suzes, 4 25mm Mark 38 chain guns, and 4.50 caliber machine guns. The next 4 ships, Bhutan, Bonhomme Richard, Iwo Jima, and Makin Island, have a slightly reduced weapons outfit compared to their preceding sister ships, with 1 Phalanx and 1 Mark 38 gun removed. Countermeasures fitted to the ships include 4 to 6 Mark 36 Spock chaff and decoy launchers, an AN/SLQ-25 torpedo decoy, AN/SLQ-49 chaff buoys, a CNAT missile decoy, and an AN/SLQ-32 electronic warfare suite. The sensor suite fitted to each ship comprises an AN/SPS-48 or AN/SPS-52 air search radar backed up by an AN/SPS-49 air search radar, an SPS-67 surface search radar, an AN/URN-25 TACAN system, along with several additional radars for navigation and fire control. All WASP-class ships were built by Ingalls Shipbuilding, at Pascagoula, Mississippi. The first ship of the class, USS Wasp, was commissioned on the 29th of July 1989. The fifth ship of the class, USS Bhutan, was constructed through a process of modular assembly and prefitting out, which meant that the LHD was almost 75% complete when she was launched. Bhutan was also the first LHD that was purpose-built to house female crew members, as opposed to being modified after completion, with dedicated berths for up to 450 female sailors or marines. Japanese Defense Minister Tsunari Onodera in 2014 suggested that Japan purchase at least 1 WASP-class ship to provide robust defensive amphibious capability for Japanese outer islands in the face of Chinese threats. Hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing by clicking the bell button below.